As you can see here, I have made over $384. $384, as you can see on my mobile phone here, since I installed this app from Google Play and start using it. And I'm going to review to you how I was able to make this amount of money, as well as the name of this app as this video progresses. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Yes, in this video, I will explain what this app is all about and how you can make money from it as well. And if you follow me to the end of this video, I will tell you the name of this app so that you can go install it and begin to make money from it. So let's head over to the app again and have a feel of how this app interface looks like, as well as navigate through its features. Welcome back to my mobile screen, and as you can see here, the name of the app is called Fiverr app. As you can see, as indicated here, look at it here, Fiverr. As you can see, Fiverr app. That is the name of this app. And what is this Fiverr app? And what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketing platform where freelancers and sellers come to trade their products, skills, and services online and make money from it when buyers come to patronize them. As you can see, there are various categories, there are various popular services that you can pitch your skill on this app and begin to make money. A good number of them is this logo design, AI artists, as you can see here, logo animation, business cards. All these ones are for those who are into graphic design. It's the specialization where you are. And this is another one again. This is influencer marketing. This is web traffic. If you can send traffic to websites, you can offer it as a service on Fiverr here. This is social media design. If you know how to design banners, flyers, logos of social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you can go for social media design. This is t-shirt and merchandise. This is social media marketing. This is web voiceover. If you have a very good voice, you can go for it. This is search engine optimization. If you are good in ranking websites and improving the search engine rankings above and improving search engine rankings of websites, you can do that for your clients. This is image editing. This is flyer design. This is article and blog posts. If you are very good in writing articles, you can go for this. This is cartoon illustration. This is illustration and many more like that. Let us see the categories. Yes, these are the categories of services that you can render on Fiverr, depending on the one that you are very good at. This is graphic and design. This is digital marketing. You can see under graphic and design, we have the logo, banner, identity, art, and illustration. This is digital marketing. Under digital marketing, as you can see, we have social media marketing. We have search engine optimization. This is art writing and translation. If you are very good in writing articles for websites and blog posts, you can go for it. This is video animation. If you are good in video editing, you can go for it. This is music and audio. This is program and technology. If you are very good in website development and maintenance and design, you can go for it. This is data. This is business. This is finance. If you are good in accounting, you can go for it. This is personal growth. This is photography. This is AI services. And this is consulting. And there are many more. There are many more like this too. And if you want to visit a much bigger interface, you want to see more of this, you can just visit the www.fiverr.com. Yes, you can visit the website, the original website of this app, which is www.fiverr.com. You can visit on it, and it's from there that you'll be able to create your Fiverr accounts. And so let us go back to our interface. You can see these various icons here. These icons has to do with message. This is a message. This is a message that I've received from clients so far, especially those that booked my services and how I was able to make money from this. These are the message of them. This is the categories of services that I showed you earlier on. Let us click on this also. Manage order. Okay, these are the various orders these are how I was able to make my money. These are the services, or these are the various orders that I've ordered from other sellers, as well as those that have ordered from me. This manage orders is what will tell you everything about it. And if we click on this icon, it will take me to my seller interface. It will take me to my own interface, to my account settings. And as you can see, I'm not in seller mode yet. This mode that I'm operating is not a seller mode, but I will get there very soon. So as you can see, this is get expired. This is save list. This is my interests. These are the settings. If you want to do any settings on your account, we have the preference and we have the accounts. Let us check the accounts. So you can see the accounts. This is my name. This is my phone name. This is my email. If you want to check your personal balance, you click on it. If you want to deactivate your accounts or delete your accounts, you click on it. If you want to log out, you click on it. So, and these are the resources. Under resource, we have support, we have community and legal, then we have shared feedback. So now let us go to the seller mode. Seller mode. What we mean by seller mode is the mode in which I operate as a seller. So all you need to do is just to click on this button and it will get activated. You can see I've clicked on it. Yes, this is my seller mode. Though as you can see, I've not made any money so far this month. But you can see under the selling, this is showing my earnings. If you want to go to your earnings, If you want to go to your custom offer templates, briefs, you want to go there. This is my gigs. If you want to share your gigs for promotion, this is my profile. This will take you to my profile. This is my profile here. If you want to edit anything, so let's go back. This is manage gigs. This availability. This invite friends. Maybe for referral. If you want to referral or affiliates. Then if you want to do any settings, as I've said before, if you want to do any settings on your Fiverr account, you can click on preferences or accounts. Anyone that suits anyone, depending. These are my gigs that I set up on Fiverr. I'm a graphic designer. So what I do flyer design, poster design, banners, and e-covers. And I charge $5. This is my second gig. I do 2D, 3D ebook cover. This is my third gig. I convert 2D to 3D ebook cover. And I charge $5 for each of them, as you can see. As you can see here, I charge for $5. So, and this is the area that I'm very much skilled. And this was how I was able to make the $384 that I showed you earlier. So let us go back. So that was how I was able to make my $384. And now if you want to create your account, I've posted the link. If you want to create your Fiverr account, I've posted the link in the video description below. Just check the link in the video description below. You will see it there. I've posted an article link on how to create your Fiverr account. And I've also posted a YouTube video that will demonstrate to you step by step of how to create your Fiverr account so that you don't make any mistake at all. Everything is in the video description below. Everything is there. And also on Fiverr, if you don't have any skills, but you want to make money on Fiverr, maybe as a buyer or as an ordinary person, I've also demonstrated it for you there. I've also created a video for it there. Check the video description, you will see it there. So let us go back to our interface operating as a seller in seller mode. This is the $384 that I've showed you earlier. So if I was able to make this money, you can make this money as well. If you are good in graphic designing or you are a search engine optimization expert, you know how to rank websites, you can make money from it too. If you are good in article writing, you know how to write articles, you can go for it too. Or you can learn any skill at all. You can learn any skill at all and come to create a gig open an account on Fiverr, create your gig on it, and start selling on Fiverr. And begin to make money. Online. So let me deactivate the seller mode. I have deactivated it. Yes, it has been deactivated. Let us go back to the Fiverr homepage. Yes, this is the Fiverr homepage. So as you can see here, if we continue to scroll down, this is a seller by the name Vasily Kichi again. He's a top-rated seller, and you can see he charges $380, and he has gotten about 474 clients so far. Those who reviewed his services, and as you can see, he has a rating of 4.9/5, which is very, very impressive. Very impressive, and it's a top-rated seller as well. So this is another person. This is a social media marketing manager. She charges $100, and she has 5.0/5.0, which is fantastic. And she's in level 2. This another person also is skilled in creating whiteboard animation, and he charges $10. And you can see he has gotten 4.8 ratings from 470 reviews. This is another person. This is also the same thing. This another person also. This one has views 5.0 ratings from over 889 reviews, which is very, very fantastic. And it's a level 2. This another person also. This one is this is a dating and relationship coach. As you can see, as I've said before, if you are skilled and there's nothing you cannot do on Fiverr. You can do anything at all. If you also know how to do cartoon illustrations, you can also do it as well. This guy, as you can see, he draws illustration. We will draw illustration for you, and he charges $5, and he has 4.9 ratings. Okay, this another is animation explainer videos. So and so on and so forth. So if we scroll down, as you can see, this guy here offers 500-word American male voiceover, and he charges $15. And his rating here, he has a rating of 5/5, which is fantastic from 45 reviews. So, and also, as you can see, you can get to invite your friends and make it. That's if you don't want to sell anything on Fiverr, but you want to make money from Fiverr through affiliates and referrals. I've posted an article on how you can make money as an affiliate on Fiverr. Check in the video description below. And also, if you want to make money from referrals, from referring this Fiverr app to your friends, you can invite your friends, and when they sign through your referral link or through affiliate link, you get to earn $100. As you can see here, you get to earn $100. So I think that will be all for now. So as I said before, all you need to do is just to go to Google Play Store, install the app. Go to Google Play Store, look for the Fiverr app, install it, create your account. create your account, set up your gig, and begin to make money on Fiverr. Begin to make money on Fiverr just like me. If I was able to make the $384, so you can also. You can even make more than me also. You can make more than me. So I think that will be all for now on this Fiverr app, on the demonstration of this Fiverr app on my mobile screen. So what is the name of this app? Well, the name of this app is called the Fiverr app. It's called the Fiverr app. So as said before, you can create your Fiverr account from the Fiverr website. Yes, from the Fiverr website. And the link to the Fiverr website is in the video description below. It's in the video description below. Just look below and click on the link and start creating your Fiverr account. And also, I have also posted a video. I have posted a video. The link to the video is in the video description below. That video will demonstrate to you. That video will guide you on how to create your Fiverr account very, very successfully without any mistakes at all. So what else are you waiting for? Go install this app on your mobile phone from Google Play Store or from the iOS Store and create your account, set up your gigs, and start making money online from anywhere you are in the world, right from your mobile phone. So that will be all for now. So if you have any questions about this app, feel free to drop your questions below and I'll be available to respond them one by one. And also, before I sign out, subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video just like this one that you have watched, YouTube will notify you about it. So till I see you in my next video, bye for now.